It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight.
Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you I think of?
Ninang Charlie, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi.
Hi, Tito Charlie. Happy 60th birthday po sa inyo. Good health palagi. At saka mag-iingat po kayo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Charlie. God bless always. Enjoy your day.
Aba, Bro Charlie, 60 ka na pala. Kala ko 50 lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. At ingat kayo palagi ni Ate Bilya.
Happy birthday, 60. Happy 60 birthday, Uncle. I hope more birthday and blessing to come. Stay healthy and stay strong. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday! Wow! Senior citizen ka na, idol. Happy ako maray. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay mo. I love you.
Greetings, fresh from Qatar. Kuya Be, happy 60th birthday po. God bless you. More birthdays to come and blessings as well. I miss you. Happy birthday po. I love you. I miss you all.
Happy birthday, Kuya B. Di mo na may tatagong bata ka pa. Ha? Senior citizen ka na. Oh, muli, happy birthday. God bless.
Kuya, happy birthday. 60 years old ka na. Ayan, stay strong tayo. Basta kaya natin yan. Go tayo. Happy birthday.
Kuya Be, happy birthday. Wish ko more birthdays to come and good health. Happy birthday ulit.
Okay, Kuya B. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health. Nagkakaedad na tayo. Happy birthday, Kuya B. Try ko mga punta dyan. Prepare ka pulutan mamaya. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy 60th birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo, nakasama ang pamilya mo. And sana lagi kang masaya, nakasama ang pamilya mo. At sana pag may time din kuya, makauwi ka dito sa Bicol. Pag hindi na pandemic, at sana makauwi ka dito habang malakas pa kuya si mama. And sobrang namimiss ka na nila Toto, nila Ate Gina, Ate Len, Ate Tet, and Ate Cho. Miss you and love you kuya.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Senior citizen ka na. Wish ko sa mo good health and long life. Ingat ka mo dyan palagi. Love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Uncle Bay!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Good health and more birthdays to come. I love you.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Stay healthy. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At ang buo mong pamilya. Sana umuwi na kayo dito para magsama-sama tayo. Tayong magkakapatid.
Happy birthday!
I love you!
Kuya, salamat sa pag-aalaga sa akin nung maliit pa ako dahil may sakit na si Ate Lai. Salamat sa pagiging mabait na kuya namin kahit nasa malayo ka, kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap-usap lagi. Salamat at nagagampanan mo lalo na po ngayon na ikaw na ang panganay sa amin ng magkakapatid. Ang kahilingan ko po, ang wish ko po, sana mas tumagal pa ang buhay nyo. Kayo ni Ate B. Sana maraming kaarawan pang dumating sa inyong mag-asawa para magabayan nyo ang inyong mga apo at ang mga magiging apo nyo. Happy birthday to you, my kuya. I love you so much. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito! Wish you all the best! We love you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wish you!
Happy birthday, B! I miss you and I love you. Sana umaba ang buhay mo at laging masayang ang pamilya mo.